Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about constant in C. What is constant? So we have data type, and yeah, when you write constant, you have to mention the data type. Then why we need constant? So constant basically need for, let's say you want to set a value and you don't want to change the value. That eventually need the constant. So you just have to write like this. So at first, actually, you have to say include then header file stdio.h and then integer int main, okay, and you will say return 0. So you have to write const, okay, and then type, then variable name, let's say number, and you have to give a value, let's say 10. Okay, now if I say here that, okay, number value, now let's say 12. Now let's say I want to print the number. So here you can see we are getting error. Let's say I want to print f. I want to show the output. So go here and say like this, okay, that person d, and I want to print the number. So I will say number. And if I run the code, now you can see the result is here. But let's say I want to change it to number. Let's say 12. And now if I execute it, and here you can see the error. One more thing, and that is let's say you want to declare the variable at first and then you set the value. So this is also error, because when you use constant you have to give the value, otherwise you will get an error. Okay, so these are actually, you can use constant when you need a value and you don't want to change the value. Okay,